In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the Whop platform effectively. Whether you're new to Whop or you've been using it for a while and want to maximize your experience, this guide is for you. First, let's start by logging into your Whop account. Begin by going to the Whop website and entering your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, which serves as your central hub for all things Whop. From here, you're strategically placed to explore all the opportunities the platform has to offer. Next, you'll want to locate the section labeled Discover, Marketplace, or Campaigns. Clicking on one of these options will present you with a wide array of available campaigns. Think of this as your portal to discovering all the trending initiatives within the Whop ecosystem. Here, you have access to all the ongoing projects you can participate in. To tailor your search to fit your specific interests, you should make good use of the filters and categories. A useful way to do this is by narrowing down your options based on category, price range, popularity, or even the newest campaigns. This step ensures that you're focusing only on what truly matches your preferences and needs, rather than getting overwhelmed by the myriad of choices. Once you've identified a few campaigns that catch your eye, it's time to delve into user feedback. Checking the ratings and reviews is crucial as they provide you with valuable insights from fellow users who have first-hand experience. Furthermore, take note of the number of subscribers each campaign has. This data helps you evaluate the overall quality and reliability of the campaigns on offer. Now that you have a short list of potential campaigns, it's vital to analyze their details closely. Each campaign has unique attributes, so pay attention to specifics such as the target audience, the rewards or benefits you get, the nature of the content, and the method of delivery. This information is indispensable in making an informed decision about which campaigns align with your goals or interests. To stay updated and receive the latest offerings from your preferred creators, consider subscribing to or following top creators and brands. This action ensures you'll never miss out on any new developments and can stay as informed as possible about what's happening on the platform. Lastly, joining the Whop Discord or Telegram communities can significantly enhance your experience. These groups are fantastic resources for discovering trending campaigns that other members are discussing and recommending. By engaging with these communities, you become part of a network where valuable information is shared, allowing you to stay ahead in the ever-evolving landscape of Whop. With these steps, you're now equipped to navigate Whop with confidence and make the most out of the multitude of opportunities available to you. Happy exploring!